What are sinking funds?
Sinking funds are separate savings categories for specific, irregular expenses like car repairs, holidays, or annual insurance bills. Instead of scrambling for money when these costs pop up, you set aside small amounts throughout the year. This approach brings peace of mind, helping you avoid debt and stay in control of your finances.
Why use budgeting apps for sinking funds?
Budgeting apps make managing sinking funds easy and transparent. They let you create customized categories, track your progress, and automate savings. This digital approach reduces manual calculations, helps you visualize your savings goals, and ensures you never forget to fund your important expenses. It's a smart, modern way to stay organized.
Step by step, setting up sinking funds.
First, list your expected irregular expenses for the year, like holiday gifts or car registration. Break down the yearly total of each into monthly contributions. In your budgeting app, create separate categories for each sinking fund. Allocate the calculated amount each month. Over time, your app will show these balances growing, keeping you prepared.
Popular budgeting apps and sinking fund features.
Many apps, such as YNAB, Mint, and EveryDollar, support sinking funds. YNAB lets you assign dollars to specific categories, ideal for sinking funds. Mint allows goal tracking, while EveryDollar enables custom categories. Explore your app's features. Most offer simple ways to organize, label, and monitor your sinking fund progress.
Tips for success with sinking funds.
Review your sinking funds monthly to adjust for changing expenses. Set reminders to update your app regularly and celebrate milestones when a fund reaches its goal. Stay flexible. Expenses may change, so tweak your contributions if needed. By making sinking funds a habit, unpredictable costs become manageable and stress-free.